Let's be honest, checking your tire pressure isn't always top of mind. Lucky for you, your vehicle can help. In fact, your tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS, constantly monitors the pressure in all 4 of your road tires and lets you know if any of them are significantly underinflated. Here's how it works. Sensors mounted to the valve stems read the pressure in each tire and transmit the data to your instrument panel. If the pressure in any one tire is significantly low, the system will turn on an indicator light. If this happens, it's important to check the pressure yourself and fill the tire to the right level as listed on the tire inflation pressure label. While TPMS keeps a constant check on your tires, you should also check them at least once a month and before long trips with a tire pressure gauge. That way, you'll know that they're inflated to the right level. And keep in mind, if the TPMS is not working correctly, or if you're using your spare tire, the low tire pressure light will flash for a minute and then stay on. And if you have My Ford Touch, you'll also get a message in the message center. So if you're not using your spare, you'll know it's time to service your system.